The Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner 48 kHz 30W 180 ml. I checked is a punchy little pod that advertises stronger power and dual cleaning modes for different levels of grime. Style listings for models like this highlight 48 kHz frequency, a 30W motor, LED display controls, and a 180 ml tank, and I found retailer pages that show these units listed around $59.99 at the time of viewing, with thousands of buyers and generally positive reviews for cleaning efficacy. Many users like the visible action through a transparent lid and the flexibility of 5/10 minute modes. In hands-on use, the 48 kHz 30W combo felt more aggressive at dissolving toothpaste film and sticky protein buildup compared to lower power pods. You can see the bubbles working, and the digital timer helps make results repeatable. Reviewers commonly suggest adding warm water or a denture tablet for tougher discoloration. People also love the transparent lid because you can visually confirm the action. Downsides include the 180 ml tank limiting batch cleaning and the need to repeat cycles for very dark stains. Build quality varies across brands, so check materials and warranty before buying. If you want a compact pod with extra cleaning power and mode flexibility for daily appliance maintenance, a 48 kHz 30W model is a nice middle ground between gentle consumer pods and bulk commercial machines. Pros: powerful for size, digital controls, visible action. Cons: small tank, not a sterilizer. We share by links in description box.